In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add site menu, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Menus. Here we begin installing menus. Now go to your site and here you can see just Contact Us in the menu. Now back on WordPress, first enter menu name, and click Create Menu button. Here we have Edit Menus and Manage Locations options. Select Manage Locations and here set the location for your menu from Primary, Top Menu or Social Menu. So these three are theme locations and your theme supports 3 menus. So select the location for your menu and save changes. Now click on Edit Menus. Now go to Add Menu Items, here you have settings options for every menu item. Let's select Uncategorized for categories and click on Add to Menu button. Let's select Pages, then Contact Us and again click on Add to Menu. So now both are added, sequence them accordingly. This way add more menu items by selecting them. Now for custom links, insert # URL and home as link text. Again click on Add to Menu. Once done, drag and drop it to top. This way sequence all the menu items. To add submenu, drag and drop them a little right below the main category. So this is the main menu and inside we have added these 2 as submenus. Once done, click on Save Menu button. Now go to your site and refresh it. Here you can see that the menus have been updated successfully. When you hover over to add an image, both of its subcategories will open. Back on WordPress, let's make Contact Us a second menu and again Save Menu. Now it won't change over here. To change it, go to Manage Locations, and here select Menu first, and all their theme locations and save changes. Now go to your site and refresh it, and here you can see that your menus have been updated on all locations. Back on WordPress, if you revert the changes, and save changes, and then refresh your site, so now it will remain same. It won't change over here as you can see. So this is how you can add site menu. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.